guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a sew-in. In case you were wondering why I look a little, I have two of their Light Yaki 20-inch bundles here. First of all, the ends never miss. I thought the clip-ins were fire. We're about to see how fire the bundles are because two bundles, my head not that big, so I know all these gonna fit in. It's really the ends for me. We're gonna install these right now. My handy dandy bobby pins, and you're wondering what do I need my bobby pins for? To secure the bundles, because I'm doing this myself, okay? My mesh cap here, just to sew over my braids that I'm about to do in a second. And I also have my nylon thread. Love my nylon thread. And if you didn't know, nylon thread over, cotton, it doesn't dry your hair out. So this is what my braid down is looking like. Okay, so I have the cap fully braided down now. I don't know what happened right here, but it is what it is. I'm gonna add in the bundle. Since my hair is super short, I'm going to secure the bundle right above the end of the braid. That way it's still secure. Oh, excuse me. Let's try this again. So I didn't initially want to cut the wefts, but it seems as if I might have to, just so it's more manageable on me to do it. If you guys have not realized, these bundles are extremely thick. So I have it doubled here. The first piece that I'm going to apply, it should be easier to bobby pin since it's not carrying the weight of the entire bundle on there. Please don't choke yourself in the process because, yeah, I almost did. Okay, we have the end secured. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the rest. I think that was the most challenging part, honestly, getting the end secure. I'm making sure I'm going through the bundle. I'm making sure the needle is going through the weft. first piece is sewn in. That was actually a lot easier than I assumed it would be. The only thing I would say is make sure that your needle is very, very sharp, because my needle is a little dull. Luckily, I have a whole pack of needles. Yeah, make sure your needle is super, super sharp. This is the one I was using. As you can see, the difference. Also, don't make your thread super, super long starting off like I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure out another piece. And these bundles are so thick. I can't get over how thick these are. Like, that is so crazy to me. But are you really surprised? Because their clip-ins are super thick also. I'm gonna curve them because I want it to look full in the front. I wouldn't even be surprised if I didn't even make it to the second bundle, to be very honest with you. I'm not even gonna lie. Bundle. So now I have one more bundle left, and for this to be one bundle and it's like super thick is crazy. What in the world? That is insane. That's like seriously insane. So I'm gonna go ahead and now add the second bundle. Sew-ins are making a comeback. I'm low-key slowly starting to outgrow wigs anyways. So yeah, if you're just like me and you're slowly outgrowing your wigs as well, get these bundles from Curlsqueen. Their clip-ins are already bomb, but go ahead and check out their bundles for sure, because do y'all see how full this looks? That's insane. Like, this looks so full. Like, you can't tell me I only use a bundle and a half for my entire head. A bundle and a half? That's crazy. I can say for my first time doing a sew-in, I actually did really good. It's giving. It really is giving. Like, it really blends so well with my natural hair, which is really, really good. And mind you, I only used a bundle and a half. I didn't even use the full bundle of the second pack. Like, that is crazy. Imagine me only using a bundle and a half for a whole head. That should tell you how thick and full these bundles are. Like, I love it. I love it so much. Make sure you guys check out Curlsqueen. The information for these bundles are going to be listed down below in the description. And I also have a special discount code for you guys at checkout. So make sure you guys check out that information down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for joining the family by subscribing, and drop a comment down below of any video suggestions you guys think I should do, or if you guys have any questions about today's video. I'll see you guys in my next upload. I love you guys so much. Bye.